Good morning, traders. Gates W. Adams here with GAC TradingPro.com. It is Tuesday, May 2nd, 2023, and you know we're talking about trading today. Trading involves risk. Please make sure you know what you're doing before you get started. All right, let's have a look at the day here. So we're just a little bit past that dark zone, and let's see here. Let's just have a quick look at this big picture. Oh, and I need to, I'm sorry. I need to reset. Oh, this, you don't need that. That's what you need. Here we go. Let's take a look at this. Let's refresh or reload these. Yeah, I don't know. I did not realize at some point that I guess you have to do this every day on that particular chart. Well, is it possible that there's just not any right here within range? Okay, well, I don't know, but we'll take that, run with it, have faith that we've got that going on. Okay, so we are approaching a pretty big stack of stuff down here on a pretty solid downward move right after open. Okay, so all of that said, let's have a look at where we are. Okay. No exhaustion, at least at this point. That is an ODD, sort of. Yeah, there we go.
Order submitted. Order filled.
There we go. All right. No. Dang it. Well, that was a nice quick start. Let's make sure all the accounts look. Oh, here we go. Get on the right screen there. Oh, holy smokes! Got some extra love across the board. It's pretty good extra love, actually. Size 60. That doesn't suck. Makes up for yesterday. Started the day off with, I guess, a bad fill across the board, even on a winning trade. So, you know, it all kind of comes out in the wash, so to speak. All right. No, yeah, I guess I'm good.
Order canceled.
Nah, I don't, yeah, no. Clusters. Double clusters, baby. And then this, I don't think is an official level to bulk at, but yeah. I mean, it would have won, but it didn't quite do it for me. All right. Do we have any specifically impactful areas? Yeah. That wasn't it. Huh. Okay. Here we go. All right, did not quite make it down to the big zones, but it has bounced off pretty aggressively. I wonder if it's going to come back. We'll see.
Order canceled.
There you go. All right. Yeah. I don't think. Range. Okay, so sorry, kind of got zoned out a little bit there. What I am working on this week is only taking legitimately strong trades. What is the trade? That's the ODD trade that I took down here. So that was good. Not quite right off the level, but off the level-ish. Off the level adjacent, but ODD was, of course, the marker there. Bouncing right off that old paw print. Look at that. Ooh, that's not good. Anyway, so yeah, I took 2 trades yesterday. It's easy to not take any bad trades when you only take 2. I mean, odds are definitely less likely to jump in on something when you just don't get that deep into the number of trades. I mean, shoot, Friday was 32 trades, I guess. But I do think that the commitment may have kept me out of a few trades that I might have gone into where I clearly should not have. So that hopefully is the trajectory I'm on. And that's definitely what I'm working towards for sure. So let me make it past that paw, and we're going to hit that mini magnet. It would have to be enhanced because it's the only thing that's not going to be taken out by some chop here. No dice on that. There's no entry. Anyway, we'll see how this week shapes up. I'm not expecting a perfect week, and I will be perfectly comfortable with. I say this now. I will make every attempt to be perfectly comfortable with any lost trades that I take that are actually good entries. Just because I know it's going to happen. I know it's the nature of the beast. There's just no such thing as a perfect system that even executed perfectly, nothing will generate that 100%. So I just need to be okay with that. But the key here is just taking those perfect entries. Well, having a perfect history of quality entries, I guess. That's probably the best way I can describe that. I think y'all know what I mean. Anyway, let's see here. not quite from here. I'd like it to get out of this range bound. I would rather it go down and not get back up to settlement either. There is a lot of stuff right there to include a ZOI and a mini magnet on the 30, an additional ZOI on the 10. So it just seems there. Back in.
Order canceled.
Oh, I guess it's pushing back. No longer. No longer qualifies. Would have loved that. Up here, I don't want to tick lower before it set the new bar and broke that ZOI. Now, all of that said, let's give me a third bar swing. Oop. No dice. Ah. Okay, there she goes. Not even right up to settlement. And that's got a gap, but as they say, when in doubt, stay out. Not that it mattered, but still. No enhanced. Oh, well, no. That would have been too choppy. Yeah, that would have been in there. It would have hit the target for sure. If we chose to go that way. And oof. No, I don't like this spot. Didn't matter, but I don't like it off of that. Oh my. By the way, that's on Sim. Just trying to engage in some, excuse me, simplicity trades. I just need to make sure that I've got it set up correctly, and I do not. Yeah, no.
Order canceled.
Nope. Okay, so I guess I have to do it on the actual bar before the next one forms. I don't think that's where you take an elevator. Yeah, not do the 3-bar chop. Well, until it's an HD.
Order submitted.
Bouncing right off of it.
Order filled.
There it is. All right. Oof. That was a little uncomfortable, I will say, but there was a lot of stuff telling me. And we just painted the mini magnet on the pot here, indicating that this next bar is probably going to close down. Third bar sling, no less, probably going to be a good move. So, only short moves for a moment. Yeah. Just not through a wall that, of course, it's bouncing off of. Oh my. Oh, shit. And news just came out. Almost did it again. So I'm going to take a quick minute. I'll be right back. All right. Back. Sorry about this. Starving. Had to get something in my system. No.
Order canceled.
I'm going to let those two go. Well, that was a good call. goes. I think we might have a little struggle here. I think it's possible. Oh my. Okay.
Order canceled.
Oh, good thing. That's not really gonna
Order canceled.
Excuse me. Yeah, that has not. I mean, I would have taken it down to the 2.5. At most. Well, I say that. It's not really trailing. Targeting. Let's get that focused back up. Alright, go figure. A little hesitation, deviation. We got wall. We got a lot of crap down here. Oh, that's... seems like a much wider gap on that 30. Let's see if we can similarize them. It's not really a word, I know. Yeah, alright. Still sort of trending down. Oh, holy crap. It's bouncing right off. No, I'm not buying it into that. Or selling into that, rather. Because I think it's a much higher likelihood that I'm going to get an ETX off of this. Maybe. Or down here. It's not an ETX off the wall, though. there's just too much in the way. But it's gone beyond. Okay. So, now what? Nothing? Ooh, nothing. So I think we'll see down here. Probably a bounce off of that. I don't buy it. Oops. Nope.
Order canceled.
Okay. Oh my. Well, that's certainly going to be a draw. Okay. And we'll retrace here, and I'll ride that baby all the way down. Maybe. No exhaustion. There it is.
Order canceled.
Okay. Let's have a look. Does this... Yeah, this qualifies as HD. But, no, not going to get it. Shoot. Elevator with tail. Oh, come on. Yeah. Wow. It is going to want to barrel through that, and it's going to want to go down to that 0.5, but I don't know what it's going to take to get through it. Some chop. For sure.
Order canceled. Order canceled. Order canceled.
Dang it. SLC.
Order canceled.
Oh, man. Well, It's just a little, no. All right. Yeah. That cluster right there. Don't like that. Man. Yeah, we've been from 87 down to 40. $47 points on that trend. 47 points. And I try to get into it. Oh my. Well. I mean, I got, as they say, crocodile eyes. Okay, made a little push there. I think I want to go counter trend here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, come on, man. Don't tell me I missed the scalp.
Order filled.
There it is. All right, so that is going to end my day. Excuse me. Up 165. So let's see what we got going on here. 20 bucks, 15 bucks, 15 bucks, 10 bucks. Man, I got some nice fills today. So there you have it. I think I can stand behind all three of these trades today, and keeping the streak alive. So anyway, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for stopping in and checking out our action today. I say my. I hope you are having a wonderful Tuesday and continue to have a wonderful rest of your afternoon. If you are in the backstage, I will be posting my my recap here shortly, and I'll see you there. If you don't know what the backstage is, it's just every day at the end of the day, I kind of just do a little recap. Sometimes I get behind and get caught up, but I just kind of do a little recap of all of the different trades and just kind of make sure I'm on target here. My big commitment right now, of course, is just ensuring that I'm not taking any trades that are just a mistake. And, in other words, not a valid entry, almost close enough, and either judging or my execution is off mechanically or whatever the case may be. But my goal is to go this entire week without making any trades that should not have been taken for one reason or another. And so far for the week, I am 5 for 5. I'm going to knock on some real wood this time. That's real wood over there. Not that I'm necessarily superstitious, but I'm kind of a little superstitious. So anyway, but on the recap, I basically just go through everything, and you can actually see the progression from day one, January 3rd, my first day of trading, since I restarted this mission, I guess, if you will, all the way to so far yesterday, and here in a little bit we'll have today's. And you can kind of just see how the process has gone for me, kind of from the inside, not just from the standpoint of watching execution of trades, which you can actually see on the Facebook or YouTube page pretty much every day, I think, but also just that mental process of what's going on behind it. Also, I've been on for about an hour. My recaps are usually 10 minutes or so. There have been a few that have been a little bit longer, but it's definitely not the same amount of time commitment as watching through all the trading days. So I hope you guys are enjoying. I appreciate you guys. I love y'all. God bless. Have a wonderful rest of your Tuesday, and I will see you backstage, or I'll see you tomorrow.